Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited for today's tutorial. So in this particular tutorial today, you're going to learn how to create animated sequence and titles for your YouTube video using Canva mobile application. So right away, let's dive straight into the tutorial. So I'm going to launch my Canva application right now. And of course, I've already started creating some projects, but I'm just going to start afresh and just go straight to my search box in Canva. And I'm going to type in the search box YouTube. All right. And it's going to show me a whole lot of YouTube options, a whole lot of things that I can do here, giving me different formats of what I can do. But the thing is that depending on what idea you have that you want to create, any of the format you choose doesn't really matter. So I'm going to choose YouTube Gaming Studio, and I'm going to scroll up to as a particular animation that I like so much. So I'm going to make use of it, and that is this one here. And I'm going to do something very quickly for this particular template that I've chosen. I'm going to remove these two aspects. I'm going to trash them out. So I'm just going to tap on them and delete. Okay, tap and delete, tap and delete. Okay, so they're gone. And I'm going to change the color of these to color white. And I'm going to change this like and subscribe to the name of my channel. Okay, that's what we're doing right now. And I'm going to change this to like and subscribe. Okay, and I'm going to make it bold. All right, and also increase it a bit so it becomes visible. Then I'm also going to add an element that's a shape, a rectangular element to it. I'm going to add this, then reduce it. I'm going to put this here, then change the color of that element to white. Then change the text there to color black. So this is what we have. And see, it's looking a bit beautiful. Then I'm going to bring this dozer height down here, and I'm going to increase the size. Okay, you can see that it's looking really cool now. Then the next thing I want to do, of course, there's already a video at the background, a free video from Canva library, and this video I can edit it. That's if I want to use it, I can edit it. Of course, you can see we have 30.3 seconds here, so I can trim this aspect of the video to 5 seconds or 5.7. Okay, I think this is good. Now, okay, then I can also reduce the volume. Of course, I don't need the volume, so I've reduced the volume. Now, the next thing I want to do is that I want to add animation to this particular template. So I'm going to click on animate. Of course, it's on page animation. So I'm just going to choose a rise. Okay. There are different animation that you can use, but I think I'm going to use rise for this. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the background of this video, replace it with this picture. Of course, you can see. Then what else am I going to do is that I'm going to adjust this photo, reduce the brightness, blur this by 3. I think this is cool for me. Let me also reduce the transparency a bit. Fine, this is lovely. So that's for the first page. Then I'm going to click on this folder here, and I'm going to click on this one, the plus sign there, and we have second slide. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to pick it back. I'm going to click on this, replace it. I'm going to click on videos. I'm going to click on videos and I'm going to click on, I'm going to type in abstract videos. I think we can get something that looks a bit close to what we want. Okay, I think I can use this. This looks really cool. So let me play it. Fine, this is lovely. So I'm going to add some text to this. I'm going to add some text. I'm just going to edit it and type in subscribe to my subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, I think it is good. I'm going to change the font to Poppins. Okay, I think this is fine for me, and I'm just going to expand it a bit, move this up. I'm going to duplicate this and I'm going to edit this. Let me highlight it on graphics, design, videography, and animation. Okay, I think this is good. I'm going to change it to all capital letters. Okay, I think this is good. I think this is good. Bring this down a bit. All right, this is fine. Then I'm going to add an element to make it look more beautiful. I'm going to add an element, and this is the element I want to add. Okay, you can see. I'm going to change the color of this element to white. This is fine. Then I'm going to add another element again. I'm just going to bring this down. Change the color to white. Then duplicate this. And I'm going to change the color of this to black. Just follow me carefully. I'm just going to edit it. And subscribe. Okay, that's what I want to add in there, and I'm going to reduce it, change it to capital letters. Okay, I hope you're following and enjoying this tutorial. Then I'm going to apply the page animation. Let me reduce the volume. I don't need the volume. Let me also trim it. Let me trim it to 5 seconds. Okay, this is good. Okay, and let me apply. Of course, the animation is there. So I'll just click on apply to all pages. And let me preview it. You can preview it by tapping on this play button there. Tap on the play button and you can preview your work. Okay, so that's how it's going to look. Then I'm going to click on this. Don't forget, that's that two there. And I'm going to click on the plus sign. And I'm going to select these three. And we have it here. Then I'm going to add some text. I'm going to type in for more tutorials. Subscribe, like, and subscribe. And I'm going to duplicate this, edit it. So Tuesdays and Thursdays. Those are the days that we post videos on our channel. Then I'll change the fonts, Poppins bold. Apply same for this. Change the font, Poppins bold. Come back to this. Make it all capital letters. Let me see if there's any correction that has to be made. Okay, I think it's looking better. Then I'm going to add the same element we added earlier. I'm just going to change the color to white. Add another element, the square, reduce it. Change the color to white. Then pick this one here, duplicate it, undo. Okay, better still, let me pick this one. Duplicate, reduce the size, drag it down, change the color to black, and like, let me type in don't miss out. Okay, I think that is the final. Don't miss out. I think don't miss out is fine. I want to edit this a bit. Okay, I think this should just be fine. Okay, so this is it, and I'm going to edit this as well. Add my animation. Of course, price is there, so I'm just going to download this to my gallery. I'm going to close this page animations. Then I'm going to click on this. You can see it. Then I'm going to click save as, and I'm going to save them one after the other. Done. Download. I'll do that for each of the three, or I can save them all at once. Okay, I'll go back again, repeat the process for the next one. If I save them all at once, it's going to come out as one video. I might not be able to add some other animations to it. Okay, so I'll repeat for the last one. Do same for the last one and download. Then I'm going to use my InShot application, or I can use CapCut or KineMaster, but in this case, I'm going to use InShot to bring all three together and add separate animations and also some stickers to the video to make it look a bit colorful and classy. Okay, so this is done. I'm just going to close this and head straight to my InShot. All right, this is my InShot app. I'm going to click on video, click on new, and I'm going to click on video. Then I'm going to select. So this is the 3 videos that I've worked on. So I'm going to add stickers to this part. So I'll click on sticker. It's a particular one. This one I used to have. Okay, there's one I used to have that looks a bit colorful. Let me just go with this. Okay, so I can go with this. I think this will work. Okay, then I'm going to copy it, then twist it the other way around. Okay, and add it here. Okay, so let me play. You can see that's looking a bit fine, a bit cool. Then I can add another sticker to this, but this time around I'll just look for something. Okay, let me click on this. I think I can work with this. Then let me click it, put it here, and let me see. So, okay, I think that looks cool. Then the next thing I want to do, there are some spaces here. Those minus sign. I'm just going to add some effect to it. Okay, so I think this is an animation. Good. Add to this as well. This is fine. So let me play it. Okay, so let me change this fade and add this. Okay, so let's play. Good, I think this is better. So there's a sticker that is showing outside of this. So let me split, delete, split, and delete. So you can see the way the video looks is looking a bit cool and classy for me. So you can choose to add a soundtrack. Of course, if you want to add sound to this, just come to your music, tracks, then select any track that you want from the library. If you have one, select any of the featured tracks. They are copyright free. Okay, but in this case, I don't want to use any of these. So, or better still, let me see. Highway to Freedom. Let me play this. I can use this, so let me download it. Okay, you can see it's a music folk bed. Musician, music by audionautic.com. License, that's the license there, creativecommons.org. So it said to avoid copyright issues, you should give them credit. You should give them credit for their job. Of course, it's the wisest thing to do. It's a good thing to do. So I'm going to use it. So I'm just going to trim it, delete this aspect, then apply so I'm just going to save this, and we are done with the tutorial. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of the tutorial. And also we have a video that you also like. That video is on how to create automated caption and also how to add the progress bar to your video using CapCut. So I'll see you again. Bye-bye.